Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine and doing well. One thing I expect from you is that you are able to understand the SST topics because they are new for you. And for better understanding, I request all of you to go through the videos again and again so that the concepts are clear in your minds. So previously, I taught you about parallels. If you remember in my last video, I had taught you about parallels, which were the set of lines which were drawn horizontally across the globe. Today, I am going to teach you about meridians. Meridians are the lines which are drawn vertically across the globe. Vertically means they are here. You can have a look in this picture. They are drawn from the North Pole to the South Pole. Again, meridians is a Latin word and meridian stands for midday. So meridians are imaginary lines and they are also called the lines of longitude. Latitude और longitude, if अगर आपको differentiate करना है latitude and longitude में, just remember the parallels they are in the line position. लेटी हुई position में है इसलिए हम उनको latitude बोलते हैं. Longitudes are in the long length, so हम उनको longitudes बोलते हैं. This will help you to differentiate between latitudes and longitudes. So longitudes वो lines हैं. यहाँ पे हमने क्या पढ़ा था? It was North Pole and here was South Pole. So जो lines North Pole से South Pole तक long position में draw की जाती हैं, those lines are meridians or lines of longitudes. Let us learn some features of longitudes now. So the first feature which is given in your book is that all meridians are of same length. So जब हमने parallels के बारे में पढ़ा था, we read that parallels circles they keep on decreasing as we go towards the poles. But the speciality of meridians is that they all are of the same length. किसी भी डिग्री की मेरिडियन हो, चाहे वो 0 डिग्री की हो, चाहे वो 90 डिग्री की हो, सभी मेरिडियंस की लेंथ इक्वल रहती है. Maximum distance between any two meridians is at the equator. I'll show you with the help of a diagram. See, in this diagram, I have drawn some latitudes for you. You can just have a look. Here we have equator. You all know. So maximum distance between two meridians is at the equator. और जैसे जैसे हम पोल्स की तरफ जाते हैं, यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो कि लॉन्गिट्यूड्स के बीच का जो गैप है वो कम हो रहा है. सो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि लॉन्गिट्यूड्स जो है इक्वेटर पे दे हैव द मैक्सिमम डिस्टेंस बिटवीन देम और एज वी मूव ऑन टुवर्ड्स द पोल लॉन्गिट्यूड्स के बीच का जो डिफरेंस है या जो गैप है वो कम हो जाता है. सो दिस इज अनदर फीचर ऑफ लॉन्गिट्यूड. So the third feature, the distance between any two meridian decreases as we move away from the equator towards the pole. Already I have explained you with the help of a diagram. अभी मैंने आपको बताया है कि इक्वेटर पे जो है लॉन्गिट्यूड्स के बीच में डिफरेंस जो है वो मैक्सिमम होता है. जैसे ही हम पोल्स की तरफ जाते हैं, चाहे हम नॉर्थ पोल में जाएं चाहे हम साउथ पोल में जाएं, उनके बीच का जो गैप है, उनके बीच का जो डिफरेंस है वो कम होता जाता है. Is it clear? Okay, now we move on to the next point. Meridians cut the parallels at right angles. So meridians and parallels they cut each other. Parallels जो हैं they are horizontal. Meridians are vertical. So meridians और parallels जो हैं वो एक दूसरे को जो cut करती हैं, they cut each other at an angle of 90 degree. I will show you a grid which will make it more clear. Next point is meridians are used to measure distances in east and west direction. So meridians जो हैं they are drawn in a vertical position. सो जब हम मेरिडियंस की बात करेंगे, आइदर वी विल ट्रैवल टूवर्ड्स द ईस्ट और वी विल ट्रैवल टूवर्ड्स द वेस्ट. As in case of parallels, we used to go towards north or we used to go towards south. तो similarly longitudes में हम या तो ईस्ट की तरफ डिस्टेंस कवर करते हैं या फिर वेस्ट की तरफ कवर करते हैं. So these were some important features of meridians. Now we come to the part how are meridians numbered. So children, you know earth is round in shape and आप लोगों ने मैथ्स में पढ़ा होगा कि a circle has total of 360 degrees. So this makes it very clear that all the meridians will be 360 in number. The most important meridian, as I showed you in the diagram, once again I'll show you. As you can see, the most important longitude is in the center, which is at 0 degree, and it is known as prime meridian, or it is also known as Greenwich meridian because this line passes through the place called Greenwich. अब हम मेरिडियंस को नंबर कैसे करते हैं? जैसे पैरेलल्स are at the interval of 1 degree each, in the same way longitudes are also at a difference of 1 degree each. जैसे अगर हम ये ग्रीनविच को 0 डिग्री मान रहे हैं तो अगली जो हमारी लॉन्गिट्यूड आएगी वो 1 डिग्री ईस्ट पे, फिर 2 डिग्री ईस्ट पे, फिर 3 डिग्री ईस्ट पे, 4 डिग्री ईस्ट पे, ऐसे करते करते टोटल हमारे पास ईस्ट साइड की 180 लाइंस हो जाएंगी. Similarly, if we go towards the western side, 0 डिग्री को छोड़ते हुए 1 डिग्री वेस्ट पे एक लॉन्गिट्यूड है, फिर 2 डिग्री ईस्ट पे वेस्ट पे फिर 3 डिग्री वेस्ट पे, 4 डिग्री वेस्ट पे, 5 डिग्री वेस्ट पे, इसी तरह करते करते हमारे पास 180 लाइंस जो हैं वो 0 डिग्री के वेस्ट साइड पे आ जाएंगे. सो अब आप कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो 180 लाइंस ऑन द ईस्टर्न साइड and 180 lines on the western side. तो 180 plus 180 कितना होता है? Yes, very good. 180 plus 180 is 360. So total we have 360 lines. So meridians are 360 in number. Now a question may come to your mind कि जब हमने parallels के बारे में पढ़ा था तो we took 0 degree equator as a separate line और उसके बाद 90 लाइंस ऊपर 90 लाइंस नीचे, सो वी हैड 181 लाइंस. अब मेरिडियंस में हम 0 डिग्री को अलग नहीं मानते क्योंकि व्हेन इन अ सर्कल वी कीप ऑन ड्राइंग द लॉन्गिट्यूड्स, तो 0 डिग्री ईस्ट और 0 डिग्री वेस्ट की जो लाइन है वो मर्ज होकर एक ही लाइन बन जाती है. The meridian of 180 degree east and 180 degree west is the same line. So our total becomes 360. Is it clear? Okay, children. I hope this much is clear to you. So we locate places with the help of these parallels and meridians. How we locate places? This I will tell you in my next class. Till then, in your notebooks, you will be doing the work, and the work which has to be done is that after the completion of the chapter, you see some words to know are given in which definition of axis and pole is given, and then quick recap is given in which 6 points are given, which is the summary of the chapter. So in the notebooks, children, you have to write down these words to know and quick recap. Next, in my next class, I will teach you how we locate places on the globe with the help of parallels and meridians. Till then, have a nice day.